In this video I am going to show you how to make your own SAMI board. You will need some capacitors, a resistor, a joystick connector, Hall sensor, motor driver, a microcontroller, and of course the PCB. You will also need a stencil and some solder paste. Okay, now we can start. First, place the PCB below the stencil. Because the board is too thin, we are going to stack two boards in order to get the height required for the stencil. Next, we are going to make sure that the stencil is correctly aligned to the pads of the PCB. Now that it's aligned, we can start applying the solder paste. We are going to use a spatula to apply the solder paste and spread it on top of the PCB pads. Oops! We are going to try with another one. Okay, we're going to do it again. Spread the solder paste, lift the stencil, and ready. It's perfect. Now we are going to start placing the parts. First, we're going to start with a capacitor. Another one. Hall sensor, the resistor, and the other one capacitor. Next, we are going to place the motor driver chip. The pin 1 must go on the left side. And also the microcontroller, the pin 1 is on the left side. Now, the joystick connector. To align the connector, we are going to use a card so we can get perfectly aligned at the edge of the PCB. Okay, that's right. It's perfect now. And we are ready for the reflow oven. In this process, all the components get soldered to the PCB. It's one of the easy methods to assemble this board. We get it complete and it's perfectly done. You should check for connection and solder rush. Next, we are going to load the firmware on the board. We are going to use our PIC3 programmer from Microchip and the following pins. Okay, that's right. And now we are done. We are going to attach SAMI to the back of a motor. We will need to solder the pads. We are going to make sure that are perfectly aligned. Okay, we tried a little bit. We clean the solder, and now we attach the magnet disc encoder. We are done. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry for my bad pronunciation in English. Goodbye.